Hi there, everyone. Today's video I want to showcase how to get a battery percentage when you play full screen. Because when you play full screen, you can only see the battery if you click on if you get close to the battery widget, which is, my opinion, not really useful. Uh, it is a really free option, like it's on the Xbox Gamebar. Is really easy to get. Just open the widget store. I already installed it. It's called the battery level notification, which you can get it for free, but you can pay for the support. It is written of property basically, which is this one. I bought the version because I think it was really useful. But that's pretty much it. You can get the battery notification. You can set the opacity, the widget color, the charge bar. Or you can force it in English as language. And in play, it looks like this. Like the game gets in full screen. You just need to pin the widget. The battery percentage is again is visible. So while you gain, and in case, just in case the position, the numbering is not of your taste, you can disable and enable click through. Basically, if you disable click through, this one, it might touch your gameplay, but if you activate click through, this one is like invisible. You can't touch. The widget has an opacity itself controller, which you can, it's this one.